I'm Sue Hitzmann. I'm the creator of the MELT method, and my mission is to help people live a more active, healthy, pain-free life. I've been in the fitness industry for my whole life, and in the early 80s I was doing aerobic classes, and by the time I got to 16, my very first legitimate job was as an aerobic instructor. In my early 20s, I was doing a master's at NYU. I had the privilege of working with elite athletes and had this great knack of getting these high-performance athletes back out on the field after they had gotten injured. So from fitness, as I got into doing manual therapy, I opened up my private practice in New York City, and I started to treat people using multiple modalities, from heavy compression techniques to these light touch therapeutic techniques. And the one common thread of all of the therapies was connective tissue. So for years I had been trying to figure out more about connective tissue and what really this system was. When I first started looking at fascia in 1998 on the internet, there were 150 sites. Today there are 55 million sites citing fascia or connective tissue. I would say one of the greatest privileges that I have had over the past 2 decades is collaborating and getting to know and work with some of the top researchers, scientists, and truly the pioneers of neurofascial science and research. In 2006, we started to establish the Fascia Research Society, and the Fascia Research Society at Harvard was certainly the catalyst for the education of fascial research being far more exposed to the general public. And the MELT method has really been the vehicle to assist this science to get out to the general population so that people treat this very system that science now can validate as being a resource of stability, control, and connection. I just think that we're just at the beginning of what we're going to find out about the power of connective tissue. The way that the MELT method started was in my private practice. I started developing this at-home self-treatment technique to empower my clients to do things outside of the office to continue their healing. Today there are over 1,000 MELT instructors worldwide helping people get out and stay out of chronic pain. We have helped hundreds of thousands of people achieve a more pain-free, active lifestyle, and we are just at the beginning. And so health, fitness, and wellness has just always been a part of my whole life.